Today we're going to show you how to use the EGX 360 to create beautiful custom engraving on the inside of a ring. The EGX 360 makes it easy to engrave a multitude of gift and jewelry products. Able to engrave cylindrical objects made of glass, crystal, and metal, the desktop device is the most versatile gift engraver on the market. For today's application, we'll be using a computer with ENGRAVE Studio software and the ROLAND EGX 360, along with the proper jigs and cutting tools. We'll begin by setting up the machine. The handy panel makes it easy to enter the proper parameters for access switching, revolution, auto Z control, and more. Adjust the lock lever to 3. Next, we need to measure the inner diameter of our ring. Take a note of the measurement. Next, we'll set the jig and the engraving tools. For this application, we'll be using the ring chuck unit and the inside ring, diamond, and tool holder. Set the ring in the fixture. Close the cover. Using the handy panel, move the spindle unit X-axis direction to the front of the engraving area. Select Y0 to move the spindle on top of the work. Bring the vise unit to the very top. Use the handy panel to move the X-axis and A-axis so that the tip of the tool comes to the center of the engraving area. Move the spindle Z-axis so that the tip of the tool touches the inner ring. Select Z0 to set the Z0 origin point. Press Enter. To create the design, launch ENGRAVE Studio. This powerful, easy-to-operate package comes bundled with the EGX 360. Select Cylinder in the Material Setup and set the work area. Type in the inner diameter of the ring you measured earlier. Create the design you want to engrave. Set your rapid clearance gap. Type in 2 in the Z of home position. Go to the Tool Paths tab and click on Quick Engrave. From Tool, select Inside Ring Diamond. Set your feed rate at 5 mm per second and your plunge rate at 1 mm per second. Finally, create the tool path. Set the depth pressure at 0.1 mm and output the toolpath to the machine. Press Cut on the handy panel to start engraving. The EGX 360 will perform precise engraving along the curved inside surface of the ring. After the engraving process is complete, remove the ring from the machine. That's it! Your ring is beautifully engraved with a custom design. Thanks for joining our workshop today. Remember, you can view our entire video workshop series and register for Roland University online at www.rolanddga.com.